Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had numbers in Power BI showing way too many decimals, and you'd like those clean, easy-to-read whole numbers in your tables, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove decimals from your data in a few simple steps, and you'll have a stronger grasp on controlling how your numbers are displayed in Power BI. Let's dive in and make your tables look just the way you want. Alright, so picture this, you've got a table in Power BI, but you notice some of your numbers have pesky decimals hanging around, like 23.78 instead of a clean 24. This can make your report look cluttered or even a bit confusing to people reading it. The fix is actually much simpler than you might think, and you have a couple of different options depending on whether you want to change the appearance or actually change the underlying data type. The first method is all about using the column tools. Here, what you do, click directly on the column in your table that's displaying those decimal numbers. Taking this step is important. You want to make sure you're editing just the column where the issue is. Once it's selected, go up to the Column Tools tab in your Power BI ribbon. Under Column Tools, you'll see the area where you can change the data type. Go ahead and set it to whole number. Now, what's happening here is you're telling Power BI to treat all the values in that column as whole numbers, so it simply chops off the decimal part, goodbye unwanted digits. It instantly makes your report look clearer. But maybe you don't want to change the underlying data type. Maybe you just want to control how the numbers show up visually, but keep the original values in case you need those decimals later. No problem, instead of changing the data type, stay in the formatting options. You'll see settings for how many decimals to display. Simply drag or click that down to 0. This tells Power BI, hey, just show whole numbers, even though it's still storing the raw value behind the scenes. And here's a tip, if you ever need those decimals back, for example, if you want to show more detail in a future analysis, you can just adjust the decimal places in the formatting, sliding it back up to show as many as you want anytime. Now there's another method that gives you even more control, especially if you're setting up your tables from scratch or working with imported data. Here, how to do it, right-click on the table you're working with and select Edit Query. This takes you into the Power Query Editor, where you can do more detailed data transformations. Go to the Transform tab up top, then click the column with the decimals. You'll see a small data type icon next to the column name. Go ahead and click that, and you'll find the option to change it to whole number right there. Power BI will convert all the values, trimming those decimals out for you, and if you ever change your mind, just head back here and set it back to decimal number. It's flexible, and you can toggle between formats as your reporting needs change. So just like that, you've got two solid strategies, whether you want to change how numbers are stored or just how they look on the page. Don't worry if you're not sure which method to use at first. With a bit of practice, it'll become second nature, and you'll always have perfectly formatted numbers for your reports. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future Power BI tips. Got questions or maybe a specific scenario you'd like to see covered? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. See you in the next video.